VoiceStream Reader features, strengths, weaknesses. VoiceStream Reader stands out as a premium, highly customizable text-to-speech application, primarily aimed at individuals with dyslexia, low vision, or anyone who benefits from auditory learning. Key features include extensive file format support, encompassing PDF, DOCX, EPUB, DAISY, and even web articles through its built-in browser and Pocket integration. One of its strongest selling points is the sheer number of available voices, offering both free and premium options across multiple languages and dialects, utilizing high-quality Ivona, Acapela, and NeoSpeech engines. The app excels in customizability. Users can adjust reading speed from 50 to 700 words per minute, tweak voice pitch and volume, and modify text size, font, and color schemes for optimal readability. Visual reading aids are also present, such as highlighting the current word or sentence being read. It also boasts robust navigation features, allowing users to jump between chapters, bookmarks, and annotations within documents. Furthermore, it syncs seamlessly with iCloud, ensuring cross-device consistency. Now, let's address the drawbacks. The initial price point is higher compared to other TTS apps, which might deter some users. While the interface is generally intuitive, the sheer volume of customization options can be overwhelming for beginners. PDF rendering can sometimes be imperfect, especially with complex layouts or scanned documents, potentially impacting the reading experience. Battery drain can also be a concern, particularly during extended reading sessions. While VoiceStream Reader excels at processing structured text, its performance with images containing text, requiring OCR, is adequate but not exceptional compared to dedicated OCR applications. Despite these weaknesses, VoiceStream Reader remains a top-tier choice in the TTS landscape due to its unparalleled voice quality, extensive customization, and robust feature set. It's an investment that pays off for serious readers and those who heavily rely on text-to-speech for accessibility or productivity. If you require precise control over your auditory reading experience and value high-quality voices, VoiceStream Reader is undoubtedly worth considering, recognizing that the initial cost is offset by its long-term functionality and benefits.